great to be back at GSA. I was looking at how many years it says I've been a member, and I shouldn't have looked. So at any rate, it's thank you for coming. Thank you. GSA is so important, and it does so much that's good. And I'm going to show you, we're a geologist, and I'm a geologist. All my degrees say geology. Geology and mineralogy, geology and geophysics, they all say geology. We're a geologist. I don't know how it got from there to here, but I want to thank the organizers for this. I want to thank the GSA. Thank you for coming. If you see a penguin, there is information that goes with it, but the penguin's just there to ease off heavy stuff. So I use penguins for fun. I took all these. So at any rate, I'm going to front for a whole bunch of people. So this is the people. I used to go to the field, and now I answer email, and other people go to the field. So this is some of the people that I'm going to show their work. Our current team of grad students in our particular little group. Fantastic people, some of the slightly older people that I'm going to front for as well. So when I say we, it mostly means them, so just be clear on that. I had a red beard when we took this picture in Greenland, and I don't anymore, but what do you do? So if you have to leave early, I know there's a lot going on, and maybe you need to get lunch. What I'm going to try to tell you, sea level rise it's certain. This is going to happen. It could be a lot more than we're planning for. And that's based on things that we actually know happen, but that are really, really hard to put into models in a reliable, pound-on-the-table way. Mostly because we haven't had enough good people and enough support to figure this out. And they're almost always out of these models. And this is not, I'm going to rag on models. No, the modelers are fantastic. They are busting butt to try to do this, and they're just overworked and underpaid.